we have, I can rewrite that.
Should we just do the chain rule?
It would be the chain rule. And what else?
Can we just do the chain rule?
No, you can't just do the chain rule. Because I'm not taking the square root of the whole thing. I would have to do the chain rule of the second part here. But I have this and this. What am I doing with those? Yeah, I'm multiplying them. So it's the product rule. So I'm going to start with the product rule. So the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Now, when I take the derivative of the second, I'm using the chain rule. Because the second is a couple of things, although it's not really going to matter much, but that's okay. So the derivative of x plus 3 to the 1/2, do the 1/2 part first. So that's times 1/2 times x plus 3 raised to the negative 1/2. And then you take the derivative of what's inside. That's just 1. So that really didn't change anything. So that's a matter of simplifying. So I have 5 times x plus 3 to the 1/2. Oh, I thought people were freaking. Plus 5 over 2 times x times x plus 3 to the negative 1/2. Okay. Now. Obviously, I can't leave that as a negative exponent, right?
We're going to group. We're not going to group?
Group, what do you mean?
Like multiply that out.
Well, you'd have to do the exponent first. So I can't do x plus 3 to the 1/2.
Until you flip it?
Well, I can make it a square root. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
it's negative. You're not the flip it.
The bottom one, yes. Or the second one.
Yeah.
Yes, so this one's x plus 3 plus 5x over 2 square root of x plus 3. I'm okay with you leaving it like that, but the answers in multiple choice are never going to be left like that. So let's butterfly or bow tie or whatever you call it. So that's 10 times x plus 3 plus 5x over 2 times the square root of x plus 3. I can simplify that a little bit on top. 10x plus 30 plus 5, so it's 15x plus 30. I combined 2 steps there. Please stop me if I lost you. I'm not done. I don't think. Yeah, I am. I lied. I'm done. I could factor out a 15 if you wanted to, but don't need to. So, we're good. Okay, this next one, I'm taking the sign of something that's a quotient. So I'm going to be using the chain rule and the quotient rule. I'm going to start by taking the derivative of what? Sine. Derivative of sine is cosine. Then I take the derivative of what's inside. So to take the derivative of what's inside, what do I have to use? Quotient rule. So that times low di minus high D low, square the bottom, and away you go. Bless you. That's some beautiful stuff right there. Okay, let's see if we can make this look any prettier. Okay, so it's 2x minus 6 minus 2x minus 1 over x minus 3 squared. Okay. Two x's will cancel, and you get negative 7 over x minus 3 squared. Just so we don't accidentally try to take the cosine of that, I'm going to put my number in front, and then what I'm taking the cosine of after it. That's about all I can do with that. Look at us. Man, we are some smart people. And that is a fantastic place to stop.